What are we doing experiment about today?
Making germs run away.
Making germs run away. What do we need to use to get rid of germs?
Water and soap.
Water and soap. What are we going to use for our experiment? We have
Soap.
and
Pepper.
and
Water.
water. Okay, what do we do first?
Put the pepper.
No, what do we have to do first?
Water.
Pour the water in. Great job. Okay, what's next?
The pepper.
The pepper. Awesome. Okay, I want you to put a finger in. What happens when you put a finger in? Lift it out. Oh, what happens? What gets all over your finger?
It.
Oh, the pepper. It's germs. Okay, now let's put a finger in the soap. Get it in there. Get lots of soap on your finger, just like when you wash your hands. Now put it in.
Here.
Yeah. What's happening?
The germs away.
The germs are running away.
Hello my friends, how are you doing today? Here's something. Oh, you're doing great. I am happy that my friends are doing great. Very nice. Today my friends, I got something fun for you. We are going to do a science experiment to discover the fizzy colors. And do you know what we need for that experiment? We need a baking soda, we need some food coloring, and we need some vinegar. That's all we need for that. So what we are going to do is just a paper plate. And what we need for this, we got a blue food coloring. I'm going to put some blue food coloring in the plate, and then I will put some red food coloring in the plate. And again, let's try to do one more blue, and then one more red coloring, and let's cover this coloring with a baking soda. Okay, let's cover it. Oh, here you go. It's all covered. This one is all covered too. This one is all covered. You are going to have so much fun when you are going to do this experiment with your mommy or daddy, or with both. Okay, so the color is almost covered with the baking soda. So what we are going to do, we are going to get some vinegar. You can use a pipette or you can use a dropper, whatever you have at home. You can use it. Ask your mommy and daddy to help you. And we are going to pour this vinegar into the baking soda. My parrot is also trying to join us. So let's see how it looks like when we are pouring the vinegar. Oh, did you see the blue fizzy bubbles? Wow, look at that. Let's pour a little more. Look at the blue fizzy bubbles. They are all over and they are looking so cool. Let's discover the other color. What is this other color? Oh, looks like, what do you see? Did you see red fizzy bubbles? Whoa, kind of red. Awesome. Let's try to get the other one. Oh, look at the chemical reaction and the bubbles. So wonderful. The blue, the red, the blue, and let's see which one is the last one. Oh, looks like red bubbles. Did you see how much fun it is? I'm hoping that you are going to do this experiment with your mommy and daddy and you are going to have lots of fun. Discover the colors, as many as you want, and have lots of fun by discovering the fizzy colors. Thank you very much, my friends. Take care. Have a wonderful day and stay home. Be safe, be well. Have a good day. Bye.
Hey everyone, if you enjoyed the video today, don't forget to click the like button below. If you want to see more content, subscribe to our channel and remember to ring the bell so that you get notifications whenever we post a new video. Lastly, share this with your friends. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon. And remember, you are awesome.